Good morning, children. How are you? Welcome to Naveen Sir class. In previous class, we learned construction of triangles. Today, I am here with a new topic. Let us see. Children, what is this image? Yes, this image is represent smiley. Yes or no? Yes, this image is represent smiley. So here, the smile is same shape and same size. See, shape, two eyes and smile like this. Circular shape, same shape and size is also same. Just look at the pictures. What are you seeing in this image? Yes, earrings. How they are? Both are same size and same shape. Let's look one more picture. What you are looking in this image? What you are seeing in this image? Yes, two same mobile phones. Two same mobile phones. They are also same size and same shape. And look at one more picture. Blades of fan. So we will observe while sleeping. We will observe the blades of fans. If we will observe, they are same size and same shape. Look at the picture. Yes, blades of fans are same size and same shape. Here, these also smileys. Shapes are same. Then what about sizes? Sizes are not same. Sizes are different. Here, shape and size both are same. Shape and size both are same. Here, shape is same but not size. Look at the picture. What are you seeing in this image? Giraffe. What is that? Giraffe. So both they are same shape, but sizes are different. Their shape is same, but sizes are different. One is small, one is tall. So here, one more examples. What is this? 20 rupees note. And what is this? 10 rupees note. See, observe these notes. 20 rupees notes, 10 rupees note. Observe this. This is in rectangular shape, this is also rectangular shape. Shape is same, but sizes, are they same sizes? No. So let us take one more 10 rupees note. Shape same and sizes also same. Are they superimposed to each other? Yes, without overlapping. See, without any overlapping, they are superimposed to each other. So, if the two figures or two objects are same size and same shape, then the figures are said to be congruent. Then the figures are said to be congruent. Here, sizes are different, but shapes are same. See, look at here. One more example. This is 500 rupees note, and this is 10 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. So both are in rectangular shapes. Shapes are same. Then what about sizes? Are they same size? No. So let us take one more 500 rupees note. See, they are shapes are same and sizes also same. So these type of figures are congruent figures. If the two figures have same shape and same size, then the two figures are said to be congruent. If shapes are same but sizes are different, then what? If shapes are same but sizes are different, then they are similar to each other. They are similar to each other. So today our topic is congruency. Today we are going to discuss about the congruency. In this congruency, we will discuss the congruency of line segment, congruency of angles, congruency of triangles. Actually, our topic is congruency of triangles. So here, congruency of triangles, we have 5 types. They are side congruency rule, side angle side congruency rule, side congruency rule, side angle side congruency rule, angle side angle congruency rule, angle side congruency rule, and right angle hypotenuse side congruency rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types of criterion of congruency rules. Same shape and same size are congruent. If two figures or objects are congruent, if they have same size and same shape, the congruency is denoted by using this symbol. So this is by using this symbol we will denote the congruency by using this symbol. Now examples: blades of fan. Just now we discussed blades of fan, pair of earrings, and two same mobile phones. So blades of fan are same shape and same size. Pair of earrings both will be Next, similarity. Two figures or objects are similar if they have same shape but not size. They have same shape but sizes are different. Sizes are different. So similarity is denoted by using this symbol. Similarity is will denoted by using this symbol. Now, example, different currency notes. Different currency notes. Just now we discussed 500 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes. Yes or no? 20 rupees note. And giraffe image in the giraffe. The size of the giraffe is bigger than the second size of the giraffe. So, if look at the two giraffes, so the first size of the giraffe is bigger than the second size of the giraffe. So sizes are not same, but shapes are same. So these kind of objects will have a similar objects we will say. If the two objects have same shape and same size, then it is called as a congruent. So these are the examples, different currency notes and sizes of the giraffe. Worksheet on congruency of triangles. Define congruency with examples. So you should write the definition of the congruency and give some examples. Now to give daily life examples. So second, define similarity with examples. So you should write the definition of similarity and give some examples. That the examples should be daily life examples and real life examples. Thank you. Keep watching.